What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am super excited because we are going to be doing another transformation video. This time it's going to be a Valentine's Day edition because I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner and we all want to be looking cute for our man, for our girl, for that special somebody in our life. So today we're going to transform my face together, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this and it'll inspire you for whatever look you want to do this Valentine's Day. And even better, everything that I'm going to be using in today's video is drugstore. It is affordable. I am so excited that I got the opportunity to partner with CoverGirl on today's video, so I'm going to be using all their products to create this look. So you guys are going to be able to slay this Valentine's Day on a budget, okay? So I hope you guys are excited. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these sort of transformation videos, and I will totally do more of them. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and transform this face. Up first, we are going to prime the skin. This is one of my favorite products from CoverGirl. So this is the Vitalist Go Glow in the shade number 1 Daybreak. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. Technically, this isn't a primer. It's like a glow kind of like serum, I guess. Kind of like a liquid highlight, but I like to put it all over my face. It just gives a really pretty sheen to the skin. And you guys will see it just kind of like awakens my skin. And since my skin is dry, I just love to go in with kind of like a glowy product first, but I kind of use this in place of a primer. I'm not going to go in with like a separate primer. So just blending that out. Up next for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Vitalist Healthy Elixir. I have shade Nude Beige right here, but then I also have Buff Beige. I'm not sure which one. I think I'm going to go in with Nude Beige first, and then if I need to make it a little lighter, I'll go in with Buff Beige. Gonna go in with this guy for my foundation. This is full coverage, but it is not matte. It's more of like a dewy finish, which I personally prefer. But they do have a matte made foundation too, which is really nice if you're looking for a matte finish. Then I'm gonna go in and blend that all out on my face. Obviously, I am matching my face to my neck and the rest of my body, not to like my actual face because I don't put self-tanner on my face. So you guys already know the drill if you are not new to my channel. I love that Go Glow product, and then this foundation combined, it's like my fave for my dry skin. Alright, so now that we are nice and glowy, we have to conceal all of our problems, aka my under eyes for me. That's my biggest problem area. So I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer to go ahead and do that. This is the second lightest shade. So I'm going to just pop this on my under eyes. It has a little like brush tip applicator, which is really nice. So I'm going to put it on my under eyes in kind of like a triangle, like so. And this really helps to conceal but also like brighten that area, which is what I personally like. So I do go in with like a lighter shade than my foundation because I like to be concealed but also brightened. So this product is great for that. And I am going to bring it down my nose as well, and like my whole T-zone area, just to balance it all out. And then we are going to blend everything out. Now that we have that all blended out, I'm going to go in with the Vitalist Healthy Powder. This is the lightest shade, Classic Ivory. I think this is the lightest or second lightest. I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. Just going to set the concealer so it doesn't move throughout the night, you know, throughout your dates. Let me know where you guys are going. Like if you're going on a date or something this Valentine's Day, like what are you doing? I would love to hear. Me and Steven, I don't know, we're going to do something, but we don't have any plans, or at least I didn't make any, so hopefully he has a plan for what we're going to be doing. I don't know what we're going to do this year. So many years in the past, Steven has worked on Valentine's Day. I feel like he works every single holiday, but he's actually off this year, so I'm excited. Then I'm going to go in with that same powder, but this one is in Buff Beige, just a darker shade, and set my whole face with that. Just going to set everything down in place. And this powder is one shade lighter than the foundation, actually. I always like to go in with a little bit of a lighter powder. I don't know, because I feel like when you go in with a powder that's darker, or like sometimes even the same shade, it can kind of end up looking muddy, like when you're setting your foundation. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but that's what I like to do. So I'll normally set my foundation with a powder like one shade lighter. Alright, now we're going to move on to the brows. You guys already know I love this brow product. This is the, I always call it the wrong name. This is the Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. I feel like I always call it Micro Brow or something, but Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, I absolutely love this. I have shade Soft Brown, so I'm going to use that on my brows today. The sun is kind of like moving around, so my lighting might look a little wonky. I apologize in advance. I love filming with natural light, but it becomes a problem when the natural light moves, you know? You can't have it all. I am sweating in this sweater under these lights trying to focus on my brows. Oh my lord. All right, brows are done. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna start on the eyes. For eyes today, we're gonna be using the True Naked Roses palette. I feel like this is perfect for a Valentine's Day look. So I'm first gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm gonna pop this into my crease. It's like a very light pink shade. So I'm just gonna put this down first and then we're gonna build it up. Because I wanna keep this look a bit on the lighter side. I don't wanna do like too crazy, like still glam, but not, you know, super dark and deep. And I am blending this shade pretty much up to the brow bone, just so we have like a wash of color up there. Then I'm gonna jump in with this deeper purpley shade, and I'm gonna focus this like in the actual crease. So right in here. I've been doing my crease a little bit differently, and I'm doing it in today's video like this. Like I'm packing the color on, and then I'll go in and blend. And I've been liking how it looks because it allows me to really like define out the crease and then blend it, because I feel like when I just go in, it's like too much. And then a lot of it gets blended away and it just looks weird. So I've been trying to do it like this. Somebody suggested it in my comments and I tried it out and I like it. It has been a minute since I have used these like pinky purples on my eyes. I miss them. So we're gonna go ahead and build up that same color on the other eye using the same technique. Patting the product down and then blending upward and outward. Then I'm gonna go in with this deepest purple shade. I'm gonna pack that under the eye. I'm using a really tiny brush for this because I'm gonna pack it really close to the lash line. Like so, and then we're gonna go in with the lighter purple that we use in our crease to buff it out. So now I'm going in with a fluffier brush and that purple that we used in the crease. I'm gonna use this to blend that out down there. And then all over the lid, I'm gonna pack on this shade right here. This is like a medium kind of toned pink. And I'm just gonna go all over the lid with this. It's super pretty and shimmery. I love this color. So I'm just gonna pack that on. This color is so, so pretty, oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna mix together the two lightest shades. One's like more of a matte and one's a shimmer. So I'm gonna mix these guys together as my highlight. I'm gonna pop this in the inner corners just to really open up the eyes. And then right beneath the brow bone too, just to highlight that area. Then I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl liquid liner to do our winged liner. I love this liner. It's so black and the wand is like really long, but it's very easy to use. It's really good for wings. I feel like whenever I do wings on camera, I like always choke because I'm like nervous and I'm like, ah! I literally low-key hate doing this on camera. My wings always come out so much better when I'm not filming. And then I'm just going in with the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Liner on my waterline in black. Then for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara. I have this in the shade Very Black. This is so good, you guys. This mascara is like my new favorite from the drugstore. It lengthens the lashes, but also adds like so much volume to them. So I have been obsessed with this. So I'm gonna just go in and coat my lashes. And what I like too about this mascara is it is a bit of a thicker formula, which really does help to like thicken up the lashes, but it doesn't make them like crunchy and spidery, which I really do enjoy. Like thick, but not caked up, you know? I was honestly gonna put lashes on, but now I'm like, do I even really need them? Like this mascara is actually really, really good. It reminds me a lot of the Lancome Missor Big Mascara, which is one of my favorites, but obviously this one's way more affordable, so that's amazing. I might just go in with lashes because like, you know, I like to be extra AF, but you really don't need them with this mascara. Alrighty, eyes are all done. We're gonna go ahead and finish up on the face and then our lips. First, to bronze up the skin, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Chocoholic Bronzer. This is one of my favorites. You only need to use like the tiniest little bit of this. It goes a long way, but it's so beautiful and it smells just like chocolate, so I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this just to warm up the skin before we go in and contour. I normally go in like a 3 motion on my face, like this. You know, if that makes sense. Then to contour, I'm gonna go into the Chocoholic palette. So this has 3 different shades in here. I'm gonna go in with this middle matte bronzer to contour. And I'm just gonna sculpt out my cheeks. This also smells like chocolate. I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope Steven got me some chocolates. I low-key love those little heart chocolate boxes. They're so good. Then I'm gonna jump in with the CoverGirl Peach Punch Blush. This one smells just like peach. Love it. And I'm just gonna pop this on my cheeks. I don't know why my voice just did that. And then I'm gonna go in with the Peach Punch highlighter as my highlight. And I'm just gonna pop this on. How stinking pretty is this? I'm obsessed. We are gonna glisten to the gods this Valentine's Day. Literally this whole tutorial I have been going back and forth between doing a red lip or doing a pink lip. I like can't decide, but I think I'm gonna do red because like I'm wearing red, I don't know, and it's been a minute since I've done like a red moment, so I think we're gonna do red today. All right, so I'm just going in with their lip liner. This is in the shade Garnet Red, and I'm going to line my lips. I'm gonna go in with kind of a deeper red, so I may need to deepen this up a little bit, but we'll see. And then for my lippy, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Melting Pout Vinyl Vow. This one is in the shade Get Into It. And this is like super glossy, so it's almost like a gloss, but it's so pigmented that you don't need like a lipstick or anything underneath it. So I'm just gonna go directly on my lips with this product. This actually matches the lip liner really good, so I don't think I'll need to go in and deepen it at all. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. This is the Valentine's Day slay this year. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!